Dobro utro. Good morning, my beautiful people. Today is drone day. We're going to fly at the Hydroelectric dam. Don't know the name of it or where it is, but it's 1.5 hours away from Moscow. It's going to be beautiful. It's 5:30 in the morning. We arrived and the sun is coming up. Very beautiful nature around. And now we're going to go for a walk. We're going down to the river over there. That's the starting point where we're allowed to start flying. Whoa! I hope it's visible because the sun is so big and it's so red. Look at the sun! We are getting closer. Almost at the river now. I see FPV drones in the sky. Beautiful location, but it's very cold. We have our first drone crash. The drone is there. Just finished flying. Very beautiful location. Very happy. Not so cold. Still cold. But very nice location. And amazing. Magical with the sunrise. So nice colors. And the glares in the water. It's just perfect. Pancake time. Tasty pancakes. Perfect after flying. We're heading back to the car. I really didn't want to leave or stop flying. But I don't know how much I can fly there. 3 batteries are finished. So it was a very good day. Sun is warming up a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. Yeah. Going home to Moscow. Thank you guys for joining. It's been amazing. I'm so happy. Please support by liking and subscribing. And please share. See you next time. Bye.